Today we're going to find out what happens in your body whenever you eat your food.
Alright, so your food goes down your esophagus or whatever, and then like into your belly, and all through your organs, and all kinds of organs in your body, and then, bam.
I think you eat it, and you mush it up with your teeth, then it comes out the other end.
Just tell me what happens when you eat. Tell me what happens when you eat your food.
When you eat your food, little things mush it up. Right?
Is that it?
Yeah, the like digestive meat.
What do we have to say?
Okay, you eat it, it goes down your throat, goes down your stomach, and then you gotta poop.
It goes down your throat, through your stomach, through your large intestines, and then through your small intestines, and then out your rectum. I don't know.
Go.
It travels through your intestines and goes to your stomach where it gets digested by your stomach acids.
Your food gets digested and it goes down in your stomach, to the throat and down into the stomach, through the esophagus.
It gets mushy.
Okay, when you eat your food, your body uses what it needs and gets rid of the rest.
Your food digests, and then you gotta go to the bathroom and let it all go. I forgot what I was supposed to say. And it's called smooth muscle.
And it goes, your saliva goes with your saliva. It goes down your throat, and once it reaches your stomach digests it, and then a couple hours later it comes out somewhere.
Your esophagus,
Your bladder, small intestines,
Smooth muscle.
large intestine, stomach, esophagus. I don't know.
Esophagus.
Esophagus. Stomach. Large intestine.
small intestine.
We haven't learned it. I'm in Miss Nicholson's.
Where's your food going right now that you're eating?
In my stomach. You're kidding.
I don't know. That hurt. Your stomach. What?
Name an organ.
I don't know. The kidney. What did he say?
Duodenum.
Give me a part.
Wait, right now? The large intestine? Your intestine? And the small intestine!
What happens to your food when you take a bite of it?
So, it goes into your mouth, and then, like, your saliva breaks down carbs, and then you swallow it, it goes down your esophagus, and then your epiglottis covers your trachea, so it doesn't go down your air hole, and then it keeps going down, and then it goes into your stomach, and then it gets digested. I mean, it gets, like, mushed up, and, like, the acids break the proteins, and then it goes to your it goes through your duodenum into your small intestine, which breaks down the food, or no, it takes the nutrients out of the food, and then it goes into your large intestine, which takes away the water from the food.
From the beginning, when I eat my food, it goes into my mouth and it's chewed by my teeth, and then it is swallowed down the esophagus and goes to the stomach, and then there are chemicals, acids in the stomach that mix with the food, and the stomach is a muscle and it kind of squeezes it, and then from there it goes into the intestines, which are like 5 feet long, and there are little tiny extensions in the intestines, and they suck the nutrients out in the intestines, and then the stuff that the body can't use proceeds down to the large intestines, and then it's compacted and it goes out the other end.
Okay, whenever you eat your food, you chew it up, and then little bits of food called bolus, your tongue pushes it back and it goes down your throat, down your esophagus, your trachea. It goes down and it goes into your stomach, and it goes from your stomach into your small intestine to the duodenum first, where the pancreas and the liver and the gallbladder help with their acids and stuff to break it down, and it goes down through the small intestine to the large intestine, where it has the last chance to suck water and usable nutrients and stuff out of it. Then it goes out the rectum.
In digestion, food is changed by the organs into a soluble form to be absorbed by the body. Food in the mouth is mixed with saliva. Saliva begins to dissolve the food as the teeth grind and cut it. Food is forced back into the throat, pharynx, by the tongue. Food in the pharynx stimulates the swallowing reflex. The larynx is pulled upward to meet the epiglottis and seal off the trachea. Food goes from the pharynx to the esophagus. Food moves down the esophagus by peristalsis. The peristaltic wave reaches the esophageal sphincter and food enters the stomach. The unique muscular structure of the stomach breaks up the food into small pieces called chyme. Chyme exits through the pyloric sphincter into the duodenum of the small intestine. The major portion of absorption and digestion occurs in the small intestine. The mucosa secrete enzymes that supplement the digestive enzymes of the pancreas and liver. This completes the chemical process of digestion. The walls are covered with villi where nutrient absorption takes place. The structure of each villus contains a capillary and lacteal to pick up the digested nutrients. The nutrients are now transported by the blood to all the cells of the body. The undigested food reaches the ileocecal valve and enters the large intestine or colon. The colon absorbs water, manufactures vitamins, produces mucus, and forms and expels feces. Mass peristalsis pushes the feces into the rectum, which stimulates the defecation reflex.
Pure adrenaline.